channel. I'm so excited about this video because it's about something I really love, music. I'm so excited because on the 16th of August, Gordy, previously known as Anis Don't Stop, with songs like Hide My Scars, Courage, and his recent gospel album mixtape called Home, he's releasing Don't Call the Doctor. Wow! Don't call the doctor. Do not call the doctor. Hey guys, English has run out. And I'm gonna be reacting to it. I'm gonna be listening to it today. Hopefully he gives me a video to react to soon. I have high hopes for this one because I respect his craft and he's different and he owns it. He's a great guy. He's really serious about this, so I'm so excited. And he's local. He's from Botswana. You should check him out. All the links will be in the description down below, so do the right thing. Oh, did I say I'm gonna be listening to it on my laptop, like right here? Okay.
20 minutes later.
Don't grab my hand. It's my thunders falling down. Down, 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 down. Bended my head. Where am I gonna put my crown? Crown, 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 crown. Don't touch me deep. I might drown, 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 drown. Don't call the doctors. Don't call the police. Don't call the ambulance. They won't help me. Don't call the doctor. Don't call the police. Don't call the ambulance. They won't help me. Call me King Jesus. That's the one I need. Call me King Jesus. He's the one I need. When I grab me and say, they drive me to the wall. They drive me to the wall.
Skr, skr.
I have been so frustrated, battered and bruised, battered and bruised. I am down, battered and bruised, battered and bruised. Don't call the doctors,
Don't call
the police, don't call the ambulance, they won't help me. Don't call the doctor.
Also because they're really slow to come.
Don't call the ambulance, they won't help me. Call me King Jesus, that's the one I need. Call me King Jesus, he's the one I need.
Okay, honestly, am I in focus? Okay, honestly, wow. I feel like that was a really short song. Maybe because I enjoyed it, I don't know. But the link is gonna be in the description box. You can go listen to it on your own properly, download it, share it, you know. It's so chilled, but like, wow. I think I like it. I mean, but then again, you know, the thing is, I'm a Christian. I don't know if you know, but I am. So yeah, sometimes all you need and all you just want is Jesus. And you know that Jesus is the only one who's like always there for you. You know, you can try to call the cops. You know these cops, they'll tell you that they don't have cars, so call the other station and all that stuff. Meanwhile, you're busy dying. You know, ambulances. Okay, that's like surface level, you know, interpretation or understanding of the song. But Jesus is always there for you. I get it. It's just a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. He covers a lot in this. I just like his music. So yeah, it's very chilled. Hakui parasi, where the aim is not to sweat. So I like it. I want to listen to it again because I feel like I didn't get the whole thing. So I'm gonna play it again, and that's a good thing. If you can play a song again 2 times in a row, it's not a bad song. I think it's a good song. I think it's worth listening to. So yeah, yes, good on you, Gordy. Gordy, good on you. Keep on keeping on and be different. Like, listen, I love people who are themselves. I enjoy watching people growing and evolving as time goes on. So good for you, Gordy, good for you. And I encourage everyone else out there to be different. Like, else, don't try to fit in. Be yourself. I like different. I like this. I like this. Yeah. Yeah. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and please refer me to any other songs or videos that you'd like for me to react to. This one was I have mixed emotions about this because it like calmed me down so much, and my energy was like here when I started, and now it's like I'm like mellow. I'm thinking about my own life. So guys, comment, like, subscribe, share with a friend, do the right thing, be great, be amazing. Oh yeah, check out my other videos.